Stress relief and weight control. Reduce stress naturally with Relora Max formula. It is a natural proprietary blend of a patented extract of Magnolia officinalis and a proprietary extract from Philodendron amurense. Relora was developed as an ingredient for dietary supplements and functional foods that could be used in stress management and for stress-related appetite control. This patented blend of plant extracts is the result of screening more than 50 plant fractions from traditional plant medicines used around the world. Relora has excellent stress management properties without causing sedation. Stress management, the key to weight loss. Check the description under this video to read more about product and other remedies. Thanks for watching. Please give a like for this video and subscribe for a channel for more tips and product reviews.